Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Lollypop music player on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, Lollypop is an open source audio player developed in GTK plus 3, created as a Rhythmbox alternative. Among others, it has supports a playback of the most popular audio formats including MP3, MP4, OGG and FLAC, and it allows the users to visualize their song via album, artist and etc. And you can play the files in order or a shuffle. Before you have to install the application, we need to add a new repository to install a Lollypop application using this following command. Then hit enter. And then here we have to press enter to proceed the process. The repository has been adding now. After adding a new repository, we can install a Lollypop application using this following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The installation is completed now. Now we have to open a Ubuntu menu. And then here we have to search Lollypop. The application is shown on the screen. Please click here to open. The application is open now. And then here we can see the major configuration modules to accessing a Lollypop music player. And then here you can play your music files using a Lollypop application. And then if you want to know what is the version we have been installed Lollypop application on the system, please click here. And then here we have to choose about. And then here we can see the version of Lollypop application. These are all the installation process about how to install Lollypop music player application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel linuxhelp. If you want to further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.